Okay, yeah. Good afternoon from my side also. My name is Esther Kreutz. I'm working for the Union of the Baltic Cities, the Commission on Environment here in Finland. And in our project CHAMP, we are looking on the climate change issue from a management point of view. As you can see, our title is Climate Change Response on Local Level Through Integrated Urban Management. Here you see on the map where the project is taking place. And as you can see, our usual area of work is the Baltic Sea region, but in this project we have a little extended our area a bit. So we have altogether 7 partners. We are the coordinating beneficiary. Then we have 2 partners from Italy, Ambiente Italia and the Association for Agenda 21. We have 2 German partners, it's ICLEI Europe and the Lake Constance Foundation. Then we have 1 partner from Lake Balaton from Hungary, Lake Balaton Development Cooperation Agency. And then together with us in Finland, we are working with the Finnish Association for Local and Regional Authorities. Our budget is roughly 2 million euros. And we started CHAMP last year, so now we are entering the 2nd year and we will end the project in 2011. Just shortly about what CHAMP actually aims at. And we have this quite general aim in the beginning, so that with our project we want to contribute to the implementation of existing EU climate change policies. And more specifically, we want to develop a capacity development package for local authorities for integrated urban management. We want to, with this and with our awareness raising measures, we want to increase the number of local authorities that are using this kind of integrated management system. We are aiming at making EMA's competent bodies aware of the importance to have also strategic aspects in environmental management and to develop this further to an integrated management system. We are having several measures about awareness raising of climate change issues, and with the whole project we try to perform a low carbon footprint management. And all this we do through several project actions, and we have grouped them, so we have roughly 4 main areas. And the most important actually is the capacity building. As I mentioned before, so we will have this comprehensive package that compiles several methods and of course also content not only produced by us but also through cooperation with other projects, then for example about how cities can or how local authorities can respond to climate change effects. This package also includes a training program. We will have trainings for local authorities in how to apply this integrated management system, and also have a training module for EMA's competent bodies for auditors. And to facilitate these trainings and even more, I will talk a little bit about this more later, we will establish 4 so-called national training hubs in each of the participating countries of this project. Then the next big part is the awareness raising. So we have several and quite a lot of dissemination and communication actions. We will have in the end, or we will have during this project, we develop a quite comprehensive electronic platform consisting of the website and several other tools that will come. Of course, participating in conferences and disseminating our results or our ongoing project through several channels. Then, as I mentioned, we aim at having this low carbon footprint project management, and this we try to reach mainly through having, for example, all our publications in an electronic format, using increased video conference facilities for our meetings, etc. And to be able to maintain our work even after those 3 years, we are at the moment developing a concept for a competence network on integrated management system where different kind of actors, let it be consultants, local authorities, other institutions dealing with this topic, are brought together in a network that can exist afterwards. Now a few words about this integrated management system. CHAMP is actually following up a project that we were running in previous years between 2005 and 2008, where they were developing this kind of system, this kind of a cyclic approach for integrated urban management based on the basic management cycle, as you probably know, this plan, do, check, act cycle, and using EMAS and ISO 14000 as known environmental management systems as a basis of this. And the main idea was that it should integrate, or it should not only focus on the environmental management and not managing only environmental factors, but integrating also social and economic factors. And in CHAMP, we are now using this model that has been developed and has been already used by several local authorities in Europe, and apply this on the concrete topic of climate change. Yes, as I mentioned before, the main part and where the main things will happen are those 4 national training hubs, or like support centers that we will have in these 4 countries. And those national training hubs will organize 5 training workshops during the next 2 years. And we have, for example, in Finland, we have now 15 cities committed to the project, and we have those 15 cities taking part in these trainings, and they will also receive further support from the National Training Hub. That means, in this case, UBC and the Finnish Association for Local and Regional Authorities. We provide this capacity development package and further guidance, and also give the possibility for the cities to conduct peer reviews between each other. So these are the main. This is actually the main, or the focus on what we have to show how this more theoretical approach of this integrated management system can be applied on climate change. And more information you find there in the internet on localmanagement.eu. And if you have questions, I'm happy to answer. Thank you.